Every afternoon, when the school got over, a few children went to play in a beautiful garden. It belonged to a giant who had not been home for a while. The garden was large and was full of lovely soft grass. The flowers bloomed here and there over the grass. The birds sat on the branches and sang happily. One day the giant returned after 7 years. He had gone to visit a friend who lived far away. He saw little children playing in his garden. He was infuriated at them. The children got scared and ran away. This is my garden. This is my garden. The giant spoke to himself. I will not let anyone play in it. Only I can play in my garden. So the next day, this selfish giant started building a wall. The wall was built out around the garden. It kept the poor children away. He put up a notice board to all trespassers with me prosecuted. It said the poor children now here to play.